We'll never know if somehow, in some way, we can affect the outcome of a game. But when the clock's winding down and everything's on the line, we all believe.
When I was 10 years old, we moved, we lived in northern Kentucky. We moved to Tulsa, and I just didn't know anybody yet, didn't have any friends yet, and my dad always had this old guitar that was in his closet, and he would break it out once a year at Christmas and play Christmas songs on it because my mom always asked him to. And I got that thing out. I didn't have any friends to play with. I found that guitar, and I got him to teach me a couple chords, and then I pretty much started making up songs. When I was probably like 12 or 13, I started hanging out with this kid that I went to church with, and I went to his house, and he was writing songs. He played me a song he wrote, and it actually had words that made sense and stuff, and I was like, holy shit, how long did it take you to write that? And he said, I don't know, 20 minutes, and then I was like, I could probably write words that made sense then. My dad listens to a lot of classic rock and kind of some outlaw country and soul. I have an older cousin who lived with us, and she listened to everything from like, Tim McGraw and George Strait to like, LL Cool J. I listen to all of that, and it's kind of cool when you're 9 years old. It's okay to like George Strait and Green Day and Boyz II Men, because there's nobody there to tell you that it doesn't make any sense. I've been living with a curse, combing through the pages of my youth. There's a million soggy miles soaking through the soles of my shoes. And I've been staying up all night. I don't give a damn to sleep anymore. My eyelids are heavy, but my dreams don't sing like before. And I apologize 1,000 times for holding up the show. I always had the words, but they don't quite know where to go. You said give me one good reason, now give me 20 more. Well, don't give yourself away to settle someone else's score. I got the guiltiest conscience, listening for a savior on a Saturday night. I got my ear to the ground, you got Easter Sunday in your eyes. And I apologize if I seem a little overwhelmed. I'm thirsty, but the holy keep on pissing in my well. I had a purpose and a song that was true, but I ain't never had a lick of sense when it comes to you. So try to be patient, try to understand. I'm a child trying to do the work of a man. My pockets are empty, I don't own a thing. But I take a diamond from the sky and put it in your ring.